Hi guys, so we are now here in Hong Kong. We just arrived here. It's the week before the end of the lunar year. So in Chinese New Year, I was expecting it to be a much colder. It's not. Medyo medyo ano ako, dismayado. I was expecting it to be really cold because when we traveled usually towards the end of January, ito yung coldest season here. Kadalasan dito pala sa airport giniginaw na. Ngayon, with this one thin sweater, medyo naiinitan pa nga ako eh. So, we'll see. But I haven't been outside of the airport yet. So, tingnan natin kung mas malamig sa labas at kung mas malamig sa gabi. But we're now here in Hong Kong. We're here at the airport. So, we are now on our way to Causeway Bay to check in at our hotel. So, we're going to be taking the bus. Okay, we're having lunch now. We're now crossing the Sogo intersection here in Causeway Bay. So our first meal here in Hong Kong, ito naglalakad, gutom na rin to eh, is this small coffee shop that we eat at here on the side. So when you cross, it's here on the left side. So this will be our first meal now. And we're going to make videos of all the places we're going to be eating at here in Hong Kong. So ito yung usual namin na coffee shop kinakainan. So it's right there. Hindi yung sex shop yung katabi ng sex shop. During the pandemic, ito ang nauso dito sa Hong Kong. Itong mga turo-turo. Kaya yan, this rice. So, pipili ka kung gusto mo dalawang choice ng ulam, tatlong choice ng ulam. This is the most affordable way of eating. Pag 3 choice, 42. Okay, but that's not where we're eating at now. We're going to be eating kung saan na pupunta si Abby. I don't know. I actually don't know the name of the restaurant. Pero usual na namin to eh. Alam lang namin kung saan eh. Pero it's this restaurant. What's the name of the restaurant? We never found out. LW? No, it's LW Restaurant. Glee Cafe. Ayan o, the Glee Cafe, LW Restaurant. Itong dalawang restaurant, pareho lang yan eh. Can we go up? Ha? So, baba na lang tayo. Puno sa baba. Go up na lang. Let's go up na lang. Si Ayam gutom na nagbablog, hindi ng food niya. Competitive lang. So our order is here ready. So this is my order, roast pork with soy chicken. Abby's pepper beef steak rice. Daming beef And then 2 pieces of, parang Swiss sauce yata tawag nila dito. Chicken wings in Swiss sauce. Our total is 163. Sa Hong Kong pala, mapapansin nyo, they won't give you any utensils, pero usually the utensils are on the side of the table. How was lunch?
Makahinga.
Sobrang busog. So, ang kinain namin, 163 Hong Kong, mga 1-2. Which is, alas gano'n na rin ang lunch natin sa Manila. Ano? Pero yung Hindi nga maubos yung beef eh. Sobrang dami. Parang siyang two big pieces or isang malaki na
Two
lang
and a
maliit.
half.
Parang ganun. Sobrang daming
So,
beef.
actually, parang 2.5 siya.
Ako nga, kumuha na sa kanya ng isang, halos isa nakuha ko. Yun pala, naumay na ako. Hindi ko kaya eh. Masarap yung beef pepper niya. Kasi if you like a lot of pepper, ang lakas ng pepper niya. So kung if you like the flavor of pepper, okay siya. Pero mauumay ka. It's best to be shared with someone.
Good for two siya talaga. Tapos pati yung rice niya, marami. Pero, marami yung rice, pero still not enough for the dami ng ulam.
Ang dami ng beef eh. Ang sobrang dami. Yung roast
that's
na
how
in-order
much?
ko, 163. Ang surprising dito, sa Manila kasi pag-order ka ng beef, mas mahal eh. Dito lumalabas yung beef.
Pareho.
Yung beef, tsaka yung roast pork and chicken combination, same price eh. Eh kung sa labanan sa dami ng meat,
Parang lugi yung sayo.
hindi naman. Masarap kasi roast pork eh.
Oo, pero parang yung dami ng portion ng sayo tsaka yung sa akin.
Hindi, sulit lang sa'yo. Pero that's not a good cut of meat naman eh. It's not a premium cut of meat eh. It feels like a flank eh. Pero marami. Sobrang dami. Ay, sobrang busog. Yung rice lang, actually, more than a cup of rice yun eh. Pero sa dami ng ulam, nabitin kami sa rice.
Busog.
The chicken, yung chicken wings, is para siyang sweet soy adobo na chicken. Dapat nga nag-order ako yung chicken na kinuha ko, yung white chicken, para hindi ganun kalapit yung lasa. Magkalapit pero iba eh. Yung chicken wings mas matamis. Yung sa soy chicken combination, may konting sweetness but not as sweet as the wings. Pero masarap rin yung wings. Okay.
Or is it worth?
37 comes out to 300 pesos. So medyo
So,
mahal.
150 ang
150 sa piraso ng wings. So hindi sulit. Nag-order ka na lang ng... Kung marami kasi kami, we ordered the lemon chicken. Okay, up to the next meal. Pagod ka, nakaka-shopping?
Naman mo na ako nabili?
Walang mahanap? Okay, another one must-have namin dito sa Hong Kong. Mr. Softy Ice Cream. For some reason, yung soft serve nila dito masarap. Iba lasa. Tsaka hindi siya ganun kalamig, no? Yung Softy. You want? Dango. It's really very creamy. So you see this ice cream truck all over Hong Kong. So dito usually sa mga tourist area like this, the Sneaker Street, the women's. Beside this is also the women's night market. Pag pupunta kami ng Samsui po, yung mga computer accessories, meron din itong truck na to. Okay. So make sure when you see one of these truck, kuha kayo. Hong Kong is not complete without street food. So ito, kumuha ng fishball and their siomai. Kahit na puro gaw-gaw lang yan, pero masarap yung sauce kasi. Abby is there buying yung intestines ng baboy na nakaprito. Yun naman yung gusto niya. So, ito sa kanto to ng Sneaker Street. This is where we usually buy our fishball. Ayan si Abby. So, subukan umorder ng hindi marunong mag-Chinese. So, turo-turo lang. Kamusta po lasa ng laman loob? Isaw baboy. 18. Ilang piraso yan? Mga 5 pieces?
5 or 6?
O mga 5 pieces, 18 Hong Kong dollars yan. Tapos itong siomai combination and fishball is 20 Hong Kong. Off to my favorite dessert. Dessert ba itatawag mo dito? What do you call this dessert? Steam milk sa Yishun Milk Company. Puno. Yawan. So this is yung cold steam milk. Tapos this is the hot ginger steam milk. So para siyang pudding eh. I'll show you the texture. Para siyang taho. Pero and then my pork chop and egg. Walang kasamang bread. I have to order the bread. Ito naman yung order ni Abby. Toast with peanut butter and condensed milk. Tapos nag-order rin ako na isang cheese sandwich para meron akong bread para sa egg ko. So far, lahat to dumating in less than 10 minutes. Kasama yung pork chop at saka yung mga order namin. Bilis. Ha? That's how efficient they are. So here's the basic cheese sandwich para may kasama lang akong carbs. We'll eat. So to those wondering, how does the milk pudding taste like? It basically tastes like texture siya ng taho pero milky because this is milk, really good milk mixed with egg whites tapos yung steam. Tapos ito, the ginger, they use the ginger yung pinagpigaan ng ginger to mix into the flan. You can actually call it a flan. Para siyang flan eh. Pero they also have the egg one, yung may yellow, that one, hinaluan ng yolk. Ito walang yolk. This is just basically egg white and milk and then they steam it. Tapos kay Abby, chocolate. So yun yung what to expect if you order this. Now, as far as the food is concerned, this is very, very generic, local breakfast food yung itlog. Tapos mahilig, itong restaurant na to, they serve yung elbow macaroni noodle soup with ham. Alam mo yung Fiesta ham na nasa container ng mga Pure Foods? Ganun lang, literally ganun, isang slice. I ordered their pork chop, fried na pork chop, tapos with 2 side eggs lang, fried egg.
Tapos,
2 fried eggs, yeah. And then I ordered lang a basic cheese sandwich kasi yun ay parang toast bread nila. So yun na, parang very basic, very basic. Because their specialty here is the steam milk, not the food. Tomorrow, next na kakainin namin is breakfast of the hotel. So that ends our day 1. Morning, we're here now having breakfast at our hotel. So may free breakfast yung hotel namin. To those wondering, we're staying at the Rosedale Hotel. Yung rate ng room namin for this trip is 5,000 per night. Comes with 2 breakfast buffet. So here's the buffet area. So you have your drink station, coffee, cereal, milk, yogurt, the salad station, and then you have dim sum, the siopao buns, lugaw or plain congee, bacon of course, hash brown, sausage, ham, vegetables, pork and beans, fried noodles, hard-boiled egg, and then bread station. The hotel actually have really good croissant. Bread, butter toast, fruit salad, and some fresh apples. That's it. Okay, we're going to eat now. Another must visit or must eat here is Kungwo Bean Curd Factory in Samsui po. So, we're going to be having a quick snack here. Actually, ito yung original branch niya. Pero yung katabi niya, sila rin yan. So, either place where you want to eat, puno dito sa original, or we'll just go to the next one here. Pareho lang naman ng food nila. Mas authentic feel lang ito sa kaliwa kaysa dito sa kanan. So I ordered yung taho. Large. Hot. I like it hot eh. Pero kung gusto mo cold, ito yung blue cold. And then ito yung mixed deep fried na tofu puff. Yan, nandiyan na. For $18, 18 Hong Kong dollars, 6 pieces na yan. When the tofu arrives, wala silang arnibal. So, plain yan. You have to put your own sugar. Ito yung sugar nila. Kinatid na yung bill kung magkano yung babayaran mo. Very silky talaga yung taho nila dito. That's why I like it. Nandiyan na yung mga fried stuff. Pang merienda lang. It's up to you what you want. So, toyo. Tapos yung chili garlic sauce nila. Medyo matamis tong chili sauce nila. Okay, so next time you guys go to Samsui po. Samsui po is the area where you do electronic shopping, mga computer parts, mga accessories ng mga computer, memory cards, hard drives. This is the place where you want to go. So while you're here in this area, daan na kayo dito for merienda. Okay, bye! Abi nag-order ng chashu asado. This one you have to order from the menu, so sa waiter ka mag-order nito. So kung mag-order ka ng dim sum, you go to the carts. Make sure dala mo yung papel mo kasi doon nila ilalagay yung mga order mo.
现在就可以上吗？好的，是。好的。哎，谢谢。等一下送过去给你啊。
Shumai.
sarong apa ya, Mama?
Teka, ikaw.
沙饺。宣纸卷。
Take it.
糯米雞。
Ah.
15一個嘢喎。依家上。睇下嗰個人有冇跟咗嗰個，又喺度揼嘴。
Mom, what's your order? Just finished dinner. Lin Shanglo. But iba yung spelling it's Linheung. So the spelling is Linh. Lin. Sino po?
Linheung Lao.
Lin. Pero sa
If you will
phonetically, it's Lin Hyong Lao. Hueng.
Heung.
NG. Pero if you're going to let them pronounce it in Lin Xiong Lao. Ito, listen.
莲香楼，莲香楼，莲香楼。
That's how you pronounce it in Chinese. It's in 160 Wellington Street in Central Hong Kong. So, papunta dito, magugutom ka kasi puro pa uphill eh. Daming uphill. The food is actually okay naman.
It's okay. It's
It's good dim sum.
Oh, the food is okay. Tapos yung feel yung style niya is para kang kumakain sa Maxim. Yung parang may push card, you order what you want, tapos lalagay. Parang ito. Kasi di ba yung sa Maxim, sa City
Stamp. Pero yung sa Maxim, pero I don't know if dinner lang kasi. Sa Maxim kasi yung cart ang lumalapit sa'yo. Dito, kami yung lumapit sa cart eh.
But I saw some na vlog na umiikot yan.
Sa tingin ko kasi dinner mas konti tao. Pag lunch sa tingin ko, umiikot yung mga cart ladies eh. And then they'll bring you the food. So we ordered the typical siomai, hakaw, bean curd skin roll, what else? Machang. I ordered machang and then yung roast asado ni Abby. Yung roast asado masarap ah. It was
Malalaki yung cut
thick cut.
at malaki.
Oo, it was soft. Tapos masarap yung lasa. Yung machang was okay. I like the machang. Yung siomai and hakaw, it's not spectacular, but it's not bad.
Nothing spectacular din naman with Maxim. So, it's just social ka lang na nandun.
I think it's the experience. The bean curd roll, I did not like. Parang mas gusto ko yung bean curd skin roll sa Manila yung may taro. Each of the dim sum basket is 48 Hong Kong dollars. So that's roughly 375 pesos per basket. Yung asado, malaki naman pero medyo mahal. That was 148.
148.
148, so that puts it at a little bit over 1,000, mga 1,1. So, that's our dinner. So, for the experience, it's nice to come here. Pero,
Para kang nasa, budgeted na Maxim.
pero kasi kung magdi-dim sum lang, kung habol mo dim sum, wala masyado yung cart experience. If you walk around the streets now of Hong Kong, may mga nagbebenta ng dim sum eh. So pwede mo na i-order at maybe half the price. And yung dim sum nila is not bad. So if you're after good food na budget, pag naglakad-lakad ka, I've seen some sa Causeway Bay, yung pagtatawid ka ng Sogo. Pagtawid mo ng Sogo, going to Times Square, on the left side, near McDo, meron doon nagbebenta ng dim sum. Dito sa Nathan Road in Simsatsoy, meron din. So if you just want dim sum while you're in Hong Kong and you want to save, you can buy the one on the street. But if you want to sit down, have a good meal, this is actually a good place to do it. Medyo mas pricey na ng konti, but not as pricey as Maxim. Here it's 48 eh. I know Maxim is around 60 plus per basket eh. So mas mahal ang Maxim.
But the concept is the same.
Very similar concept no? Okay. Off to our next food. Ano pa ba next natin? Sa tingin ko, I think tomorrow, isa na lang i-vlog namin. Our McDonald's in the airport. We always have McDonald's at the airport before going home. So we can try out what they have that we don't have in Manila.
Actually, si Shote asked me, sabi na nag-McDonald's na kayo, what's there na bago na wala dito?
I saw the Prosperity Burger is back.
Sabi ko, tomorrow pa kami.
Last time inuwi pa namin ng Manila yung dessert pie.
The dessert pie.
So we'll see what's available in Hong Kong kasi Chinese New Year. Okay. So we'll see you back later. Sorry, naghabol. Chicken feet. Tapos na kami dapat kumain eh, pero nakita ko biglang may chicken feet eh, kaya hinabol ko. Ingitero, nakita ko yung katabi meron eh. Okay, so nagdagdag ako. Sorry, favorite ko chicken feet eh. Okay, totoong babay na. Okay, so our trip in Hong Kong won't be complete if we didn't have any wonton. So ito, I stumbled across this wonton place, pero tingnan mo. Look at the number of choices of dumplings or wonton. Ayan, nandito lahat sa labas. So corn and shrimp and crab with mushroom and horseshoe, pork dumpling, fresh meat dumpling with leeks, the fresh Chinese cabbage dumpling, pork wonton with shepherd's purse, yellow croaker wonton. Ano kaya yan? Okay, let's go inside. Let's order. Gugutom na ako. Okay, so what did I order? I ordered a beef brisket noodle. Kasi if I ordered just the wonton, I wanted kasi may beef eh. Wala silang nakasulat yung pwede combination eh. So I ordered beef brisket noodle. Tapos nag-order na lang ako ng wonton, yung mga dumplings actually. And then you can choose all different dumplings. So I ordered just the traditional pork wonton. And then you choose anong flavor gusto mo if you want it. Just basically in soup, hot sour soup. Or like this one, what I ordered, it's mixed peanut and chili oil. So it's peanut sauce with chili oil. Or chili oil lang, peanut lang, chopped chili, and then garlic. So the name of the restaurant in English is Yuan Ji Yun Jian. I think I over-ordered. Ang laki ng bowl. Okay, this is my hand. This is huge. And here's the noodles. Here's the wonton pala. Okay, let's try it out. Sarap ng sabaw. Let's try the beef. Alam mo yung lasang beef talaga. Very beefy flavor. Try the noodles. The noodles are a little chewy. I think this is freshly made noodles. Very, very chewy and springy. $48 for the amount of 50. That's 375 pesos. Okay naman for Hong Kong. No? Let's try the wonton. I'll try yung wala masyadong sauce. Ang lakas ng sauce pero masarap yung sauce. And that's inside the pork. The pork, minced pork. Okay, finish eating lunch. Late lunch. It's okay. It's nothing super spectacular, but what was really good here, not the noodle soup, and not the wonton itself, but actually yung sauce niya. Naubos ko nga eh. This chili oil with peanut, yung sauce. Yung yung chili oil niya, you can taste alam mo yung lasa ng sili, pero hindi siya maanghang na maanghang. As in, tamang spice lang, yung tipong, if you can take a little bit of heat, okay. As in, it's even milder than Tabasco. Sarap ng chili sauce niya. The airport already. We're going to have our last meal here in Hong Kong. And we're going to go McDonald's to see. So we'll see what they have here na wala sa Manila. Yung McDo dito, para siyang hidden spot. So here in the boarding gates, walang malaking sign, but look for gate number 11. Ito, gate number 11. Sa likod ng gate number 11, makikita mo. Ayun, open 24 hours. Buti nga, may sign na M dati, pati yung M, wala yan dyan. And then you go down. Okay, let's go. Doon sa counter.
Makikita ko naman dito.
So they have twister fries. What is this drink? Strawberry yogurt drink. Tapos, oo. Okay, so ang in-order namin is yung Prosperity Beef Burger Combo. Tapos isa ng chicken and pineapple burger with crayfish soup. Tapos in-upgrade din namin yung special na strawberry and yogurt soda. Okay. Kala ko McDo lang last meal natin.
Mukhang masarap eh.
Ano to?
It's pork chop with curry sauce. Tapos, it's meal na comes with coffee or milk. Sarap po. Yung amoy pa lang ng curry niya, masarap na.
Kala ko McDo lang tayo. Hindi pa nga dumadating yung order natin ng McDo. Eh, dami tao. Dumating na yung order mo.
Masarap?
Kaya nga eh. Nauna kami nag-order ng McDo. Pero sinabihan na kami during the order na 30 minutes daw aabutin. So, di na yata nakahintay si Abby nag-order na.
Mukhang masarap. Tsaka yung mabango comes with egg.
Okay, so we're now here in the boarding gate on our way back to Manila. So we just had our last meal here in Hong Kong. So, ang plano was McDonald's only, pero bumili pa rin siya ng pork chop curry.
Pork chop curry.
With fried egg.
Yeah, ang sarap.
Sarap, pero sobrang daming kinain natin kasi nasusuka ko ngayon sa busog.
Yeah.
Sobrang busog.
So, hindi, in-upsize mo kasi yung rin eh.
Wala, sinabi ko lang combo eh. Yun na yun, combo nila yan. Diba?
Yeah,
So let's do the McDonald's first. So we had a crayfish soup. How was that?
Masarap siya. Para siyang lobster bisque.
Yeah. Crayfish is the parang fortune lobster, yung maliliit.
Yung maliliit siya na
Kaya nga,
ganyan.
I think yun yung sa pet shop, yung mga fortune lobster. And then we also had the Prosperity Beef.
That's my order.
That's your order. Na hindi kinagatan lang niya ng dalawang kagat. Tatlo. At napunta sa akin kasi
It's too peppery.
because it's like a McRib. If you guys remember the McRib. Tapos may chopped onions and a pepper sauce. Yung pepper sauce niya is super pepper. Hindi siya yung pepper na sili, yung pepper na
ground
black pepper na sobra. As in, mahanghang siya, mahanghang.
Hindi ko kaya. Yung kinain ko sa yung first naming meal is pepper steak siya. Okay ako. Ito is talagang pagkagat mo pa lang, parang naiiwan yung
Init sa bibig.
Oo.
And then I had the chicken with pineapple. So it's actually chicken thigh fillet. It's not the McChicken na parang processed chicken. This is a whole chicken fillet grilled with that same pepper sauce.
Same pepper sauce.
It feels like the same pepper sauce, but mas balanse ang lasa kasi meron siyang buong slice ng pineapple. So when you're eating it, may matamis to actually balance out the spiciness kaagad. Kasi hindi ko naramdaman masyado yung hanghang until sa dulo because of the pineapple. And then we had strawberry
juice.
yogurt fruit drink. How was that?
Okay naman. Well, lasa ko kasi actually hindi ko nalalasahan yung strawberry. It's more on, di ba sabi ko nga, Sprite or 7-Up siya. Yun ang nalasahan ko eh. With fruits lang.
Fruit cocktail.
Yun lang.
Ako nalasahan ko yung strawberry naman. Parang siyang may light strawberry syrup. But na-taste ko yung milkiness ng yogurt eh. Ikaw hindi?
Hindi.
Ako na-taste ko yung milkiness ng yogurt on the drink eh. Meron siyang konting creaminess doon sa drink. Weird lang yung fruit cocktail na nilagay nila. Tapos sa dami ng ice, di mo rin makakain yung fruit cocktail. Tapos yung straw is still not big enough na magkasya yung fruits.
To think, ayoko ng milk ha. Pero hindi ko siya nalasahan.
Okay. Yung pork chop rice,
Masarap siya. With curry.
the
Masarap
curry
siya.
tastes like The curry tastes like it's a sweet curry eh. Parang siyang parang Malaysian curry eh.
Malaysia. Ang sarap.
No, it's a Malaysian curry
Plus
pork chop.
the pork chop is malambot. And malaki yung portion niya.
Tapos it comes with 2 fried eggs. So I think it's a Malaysian food eh.
Yeah.
Kasi parang yung mga goring-goring kasi may dalawang fried egg on top eh.
2 fried egg. Tapos 1 big pork chop. Marami rin yung rice. Tapos comes with choice of drink. So pwede kayong milk tea.
Sana kinuha mo yung milk coffee. Kinuha mo yung black coffee.
Hindi ko alam eh.
Okay, so that ends our food trip here in Hong Kong. Araw tayo kain lang? 3
3
days.
days.
3 days. Okay guys. Sorry medyo foggy utak ko sa sobrang busog eh. Sobrang busog.
Inaantok ko. Ako naman, kaya ako napa-order nung curry. Parang, kasi nag-ano lang ako eh. Nag-bread lang ako kanina. Di ba after natin nung naghiwalay na tayo, nag-bread lang ako and water. Kasi nga, inisip ko kakain tayo ng McDonald's. So, nung in-order na natin yung na sandwich lang, nawala sa isip ko na
May food sa plane.
may food sa plane, na parang feeling ko baka magutom ako. That's why I ordered the rice. Feeling ko kasi kulang.
Okay. Ako naman, heavy yung merienda ko kasi I had the noodle soup and wonton.
Ayun lang.
Tapos, I was okay with the sandwich. Hindi na nga ako nag-dessert eh. May dessert pa eh. Hindi na ako nag-dessert
Libre?
kasi, hindi yung mga Hello Kitty na dessert. I didn't try it anymore eh. Kasi, sabi ko, okay na to, busog pa kasi ako. Tapos, ikaw naman nag-order ng dami. Yung fries nga namin, isa lang nagamit namin. Binigay na namin yung isa doon sa naglilinis eh. Saya-saya nga niya. Okay guys, so if you haven't, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Ayan yung asawa ko tamo, busy-busy pa. Hindi pa nga kami tapos mag-outro. Iba na yung ginagawa. Paalam ka muna bago mo aligpitin yan.
Bye. Don't
Bye.
forget to like, share, and subscribe. Share nyo para mas marami pa yung mag-like.
Then mag-comment din kayo on what we should try next time we come back to Hong Kong. Ano ba yung mga na just try na nyo na dapat subukan din namin? Or kung na-try rin nyo yung mga we experience, what do you share the same experience as us? Okay? Bye.